Clacton, Aberdeen. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Monroe County and eastern Arkansas, east central Jefferson County and southeast Arkansas, northern Arkansas County and southeast Arkansas until 9:15 p.m. At 8:22 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This severe storm has a history of producing tornadoes and large hail. This storm was located 5 miles north of English Lake, or 18 miles south of Stuttgart. Doppler radar showed this severe storm moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing large damaging hail up to golf ball size. Locations in the path of this dangerous storm include St. Charles, Palmer, DeWitt, Elmira, Ragtown, Pine City, Lodge Corner, Lawrenceville, Indian Bay, Crockett's Bluff, Bayou Meadow State Game Area, Waters Bayou, Voss Lake, Benton, Valier, Thomas Reservoir, Stinking Bay, Southern Lake. This is